In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card fee to invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll have a reusable item you can drop onto any invoice to recover credit card processing costs, and you'll see exactly where to find it when you're issuing or finalizing invoices. We'll keep it simple, clear, and accurate so you can follow along confidently. Quick note before we start. Surcharging rules vary by region and card network, so make sure your fee practices comply with local regulations and your merchant agreement. First, we'll create the fee as a product item so it's fast to add later. From your Xero dashboard, go to Sales, then choose Products and Services. Click New Item. This new item is just a shortcut you'll reuse, not a product you ship. In the code field, enter a short identifier you'll recognize at a glance. For example, CCFE. In the name field, give it a clear label, such as credit card fee. You don't need a description unless you want extra clarity on invoices. Next, we'll keep this strictly for invoicing, not purchasing. Uncheck purchase, so it isn't treated as something you buy from suppliers. For the sales account, select your bank fees account. Posting the fee to your bank fees account is a common approach because when you add this line to an invoice, it offsets the card processing expense you incur, helping you see the true net cost of payments. Click Save to store the item. Now let's add that fee to an invoice. Go back to Sales and open Invoices. Head into the Draft tab to see invoices that haven't been approved yet, and select the draft invoice you want to update. This is a good moment to confirm that the customer plans to pay by card. You only want to add the fee when it applies. Inside the invoice, click Add Row to insert a new line. In the item column, pick the credit card fee item you just created. In the price field, enter the amount of the fee you want to charge. If you're using a percentage, quickly calculate it based on the invoice total and type in the resulting dollar amount. Your default tax settings will apply automatically based on how your item and organization are configured. When you're happy with the totals, finish up by choosing Approve and email to send it right away, or save and close if you're not ready to send yet. That's it. Your invoice now includes a clear credit card fee line, linked to the right account, and ready for smooth reconciliation later.